Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy steps on how to put a reel on your Instagram story. Whether you want to share something funny, inspiring, or just a moment that caught your attention, adding a reel to your story is a simple way to let your followers see what you're enjoying without having to repost it directly on your feed. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and find the reel you want to share. This could be a reel from your own profile or from someone else's account. Scroll until you've got the video you'd like to use ready on your screen. Just underneath the reel, you'll notice a small paper plane icon. That's the share button. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do, a menu will pop up with different sharing options. From that menu, select Add Reel to your story. This is the key step that lets you repost the reel directly into your Instagram story, instead of sending it as a message. Once you do that, the reel will appear in the Story Creator, where you can customize it to your liking. Now, this is where you can get creative. Use stickers, text, GIFs, or even draw something on top of the reel to make it stand out. Adding a funny caption, tagging a friend, or placing a poll sticker can make the story more engaging and interactive for your followers. When you're finished customizing, all that's left to do is post it. Tap on your story in the bottom left corner, and just like that, the reel gets shared instantly with everyone who views your stories. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've shared a reel to your Instagram story. It's a quick way to highlight content you love and make sure your followers don't miss out on it. Try it the next time you find a reel worth sharing. Thanks for watching.